The summer of 2015, Quick Attach headquarters had a big landscaping project. We took an overgrown field and turned it into a plush grassland with irrigation. We started with the brush buster. Removing large thickets and weeds allowed us to get a better perspective on the field we were working with. The trencher got our electrical wiring and tubing ready for the new irrigation system. Ground prep began with the quick Power Scape. This helps separate rocks, scarify the ground, and pulverize dirt clods. The quick tiller was brought in to prepare the seedbed. With easy adjust depth shoes, we could control the tilling depth. The Stone Dawg is the last process before hydroseed. This removes all unwanted debris and rocks. It also breaks up lumpy soil while grading and leveling. This is an all-in-one soil prep must-have. For all your landscaping needs, give us a call today. You'll be glad you did.